Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I took such a nice break during the Easter holidays. Here in the UK we celebrated the Easter last week. Actually, only now I realized that this video is gonna be live on Sunday, and most probably some of you are celebrating Easter today as we do because we are Orthodox. So I hope that you guys are spending the most beautiful times with your loved ones. In just a few minutes I have to leave because I'm doing my nails again. I'm getting so excited. I have like a different shape and in the same time I want to make them a little bit shorter, but most probably I'm gonna keep this lovely color because it's so beautiful and so perfect for the spring season. We had such a great time last weekend. We enjoyed a lot the long weekend. We traveled a lot. Each day we went to a different location, and it was so good because the weather was amazing, just fabulous. I couldn't believe that it's actually so beautiful in the UK on a long weekend, because usually when it's the long weekend or when we have some free time, it's raining outside or it's cloudy. But this time, no, this time was absolutely gorgeous. We were so tired at the end of the day, but it was that, you know, that beautiful feeling when you are tired, but you feel like, yeah, it was a good day. It was a lovely day. Right now, I don't know if you can actually see it right over here. Not over there. There is my bag. Right over here. Some packages were just delivered from Zara and from Manga as well, because I bought the same items from both brands. I want to compare the items, the same items from both brands, to see which one is better, you know. And I'm gonna share this video most probably next week on Thursday. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, and if you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Valentina. On this channel we are doing makeup, beauty in general, and a little bit of fashion. And let's not forget about the weekly vlogs where I'm sharing bits about my life in London as a beauty and fashion influencer. So I hope that you guys will enjoy it here, and also please make sure to hit the like button. Now I'll have to leave because it's kind of late again. I don't know how come, but almost all the time I start my videos exactly when I'm in a rush. This time again. So hopefully it's not gonna be too busy and I will get there in time. Afterwards I'm meeting Andrada. She has like some exciting news to share with me. I don't know much about it, so I'm super curious what happened. And yeah, I'm gonna take you guys with me and with us. See you in a bit. Of course I didn't manage to show you my outfit, so I'm going to do it very quickly here in the elevator. Bag is Furla. My top is Zara. Oh, I forgot to press the ground floor. My jacket is Karen Millen. Trousers are Levi's, and the belt is from H&M. And then my trainers are from Nike, but then I think a couple of years ago. I'm gonna link everything in the description below. I don't know if you guys catch the last part. I was saying that I'm gonna link everything in the description below as always. And as always, guess what? I am actually running late for real. I hope Malina is not gonna be super upset about this. I'm gonna link her profile below just in case you guys are looking for someone to do your nails in London. You guys, I have the best tripod. It's done, right? Yeah. It's actually the paper towel. We don't have another one, so my nails are almost ready. It's a similar color with what I had before. That one was a little bit glittery, right? And now, let me show you my lovely one, Malina. I asked her how do you pronounce her name. In Romanian it's Malina, but I don't know how you pronounce it in English. It's been how much time since we've seen each other? I think around 3 weeks or so. Yeah. So I didn't have the chance to show you my nails before, but next time I'm gonna show you the nails before and after, so you can see the difference, because it's impressive. The result, it's absolutely gorgeous. Let's use a better light. No, I'm gonna use the other hand. Is this a better light or not? But yes.
You can try with the other
one. Something else, and I can actually see your April nails by Malina. Let's focus this. Gorgeous. Thank you so much. So Molina said that I should also remove the oil from my cuticles. I hope I pronounced this right. And now I should show you my nails because only now you can see the real result. Oh, they look gorgeous, and the light is actually way much better. So yeah, this time. So hello, happy new day. I didn't have the chance to film yesterday with Andrada because when we meet each time there is so much to catch up, and yeah, we did the same thing yesterday and time flight. Oh my god, Alexa, stop. I hope I'm not gonna get a copyright issue now. Hopefully, fingers crossed. Yeah, what I was saying? I was saying that yesterday we had a really great time. She received the keys to her new studio, and afterwards we went for lunch, and afterwards we did some shopping as well, and time flight, and as usual, of course, didn't have the chance to vlog much. If you hear any weird noises, over there is my husband. Yeah. You are not in any meetings right now, right? No. I have some good news. My friend from university, my best friend from Romania, is here. She arrived this morning. She made me a surprise, and we were like, oh my god, everything is happening so spontaneous, and we don't have any plans, and we should do something fun because she's gonna be here only for a few days. And it's not the greatest weather today, but it's still sunny. It's not raining. It's a bit windy, and hopefully we will have the chance to do some lovely things during these days. So hopefully I will be able to take you guys with us. I have a terrible migraine. Am I pronouncing this right? It's a headache. Headache. I'll have to take something because otherwise I might get angry, and I don't want to get angry because I want to be young and beautiful all my life. I don't know if you noticed here, but right here I have my new camera, and I bought a microphone, and hopefully you will hear me way much better in my next videos. Not the vlogs, because for my vlogs I'm using a different camera and I can't attach that microphone. And I was thinking that most probably I should change this camera as well, but let's see how I get on with that one, and I'll decide in the end. Yesterday was hair wash day, but yeah, I didn't have the chance to do it because I got quite late at home, and I used some dry shampoo this morning, but yeah, I think it looks good, right? Anyways, I will see you guys in a bit because right now we have to leave. I actually know that this is not a good angle, but I really wanted to introduce my friend here. Hello! She's Alexandra, and as I told you, she's my friend from university. Today it's actually sunnier than we expected, and we are in Canary Wharf. I didn't have the chance to film much. We had lunch, and we also had a really lovely walk around. We used to live in Canary Wharf, and I think I'm saying this way too often. I mentioned this a couple of times before. But this is one of our favorite areas in London, at least my favorite one, because Marius, I think he loves London in every and each side of London. Look at her! Do we look alike? No, no, not at all. And she has a new hair color. I don't know if you can actually see it. Maybe you can see it way much better now. But I was thinking, how would I look? Yeah, some of you might not have been here before when I used to have my purple hair, and it was such a different color, I would name it. But each time I was walking, everyone was like, oh my god, it looks so good. And when I saw her in the morning, I can't believe it. I didn't even know that she has a new hair color, and it looks like this. In the sun, it looks way much nicer. It's a bit noisy because right behind us, I don't know if you can actually see it. Yeah, maybe like this. Oh my god, an amazing angle, right? People are working, and it's noisy, but I think it's gonna be super beautiful when they'll finish it. I mean, Canary Wharf is beautiful in general. So I don't know what's the plan now. Most probably we will go home and have like a maybe nap. What do you think?
No.
No way, no way. She's not sleeping. she's not sleeping at all. But most probably we'll go home and maybe make the plan for tonight. And I think this time we will include Marius as well. We will take him out to have something to eat. Beer. She's not drinking neither. So my
cocktail, as you said.
yeah, cocktail or mocktail. Oh no, you said that you will love alcohol. Yeah, my battery is dying, so most probably I will see you guys in a bit. It's so annoying, but this is life. I mean, I have to recharge my batteries. See you guys in a bit.
Bye.
My hair color. My camera. Oh my god. How do you name this hair color? Is it purple?
Yeah.
It's purple, but it's a dark purple.
Dark purple?
Yeah?
Purplish.
Purplish. We can invent. Is this the right way to say it? A new name color, and that would be purplish a la Alexandra. Guess what? Once again, we lost the cube. Yes, but there is another one coming in only 3 minutes, and I have a new song for us. Goodbye, my lover. that's the song for the tube. If you want to hear my singing skills, I can sing you once again. Can you help me? Yeah. Goodbye, my lover. Goodbye, my friend.
I don't know the lyrics.
Please, that's all I know.
Oh, okay.
Please rate my singing skills in the comments below. Hello again. This time we are out and we are trying to take some nice pictures. This is the skilled photographer, and he ordered something super good. I mean, it looks super good. I don't actually remember what we ordered last time when we've been to this restaurant. We are at Fixin' Sushi, and the food looks incredible. We are super hungry. Alexandra here is super hungry, and she doesn't want to be in the video tonight because she's a different person when she's hungry, but it doesn't matter because we are all a family here. And we are waiting for the last bits for us to arrive, for me and Alexandra, because we are not dieting, but we are counting calories. I mean, I'm counting calories. We decided to share one of the meals, so hopefully it's gonna be enough food for us. But if not, Marius here.
No.
No.
Make your own food.
Hello everyone, guess who has fresh new hair? I washed my hair this time, so I didn't use dry shampoo, but my friend Alexandra, look at him, he didn't use dry shampoo either. But did you use anything to do your hairstyle today? Or it's just
These
natural?
lovely hands
Lovely hands.
and this technique. Just look at it. Flawless.
It doesn't work for us. It doesn't work for us at all. So yeah,
You don't know how
Alexandra.
to do it.
Alexandra
Just different.
applied, Marius is talking about his techniques, I mean. I was saying that Alexandra applied some dry shampoo today, and her hair actually looks quite nice. I mean, it's not like she didn't wash her hair, you know, in a few days only, right?
Only two.
Only 2 days, yeah. So it still looks fresh. We are almost ready to leave again. I think it's around 12:30, and the plan is to go. I think the first stop is gonna be Covent Garden. Again, everything is very spontaneous. We don't have anything booked. We don't have anything planned because we said that we should enjoy the ride and discover new things we can do. Because sometimes, even though we live here in the UK, in London, for a couple of years already, around 4 years, I think it's been since we've moved here, we are still discovering new things to do, and it's quite fun. I mean, we are enjoying it. Yes, Marius, we are ready. We are leaving.
Let's go.
Let's go. I think I'm gonna end the vlog here, and the next things we will be doing these days, the rest of the days, will be shared in the next vlog, because I'm gonna be vlogging everything, or at least I'm gonna try to film as much as possible. I'll see you guys in a bit.
Bye.
Bye.